Masak apa? Masak my style. Oh wow. Alamak. Alamak. Gitu, okay. So, apa khabar anda semua di sana? I hope all of you all are fine, well, fabulous after all the Hari Raya. Makan sesi cekik menyekik everywhere you all go, sental menyental. So, it's time to cool off, masanya untuk kita relax sikit, okay. So, today gonna make you give you this recipe. Recipe ni agak simple, senang, easy untuk musim-musim panas gini, for hot weather like that. So we're gonna do soup bening lala. So this is the spinach lala soup of the world. Alamak, memang fabulous. So come along with me and I show you how to make this simple recipe, soupy on a nice hot day. Come, jalan. Local clams. Ini adalah lala, bukan kupang, kupang yang kali hijau. Mussels are in green in color, but this is the local clams. We call it lala here, okay. Lala. Half a kg or maybe less, okay. And spinach, bayam, bayamnya awak tengok cantik. Nah, this is how spinach come in various species as well, dia species dia macam okay, see, okay, this spinach is very nice, bagus untuk masak sup or also stir fry. Kalau goreng kena cepat-cepat angkat, yang ni pasal dia very thin and fragile. Alamak, okay. One whole bunch of spinach. The rest of the things are very easy. One large onion slice, 1 ulas bawang besar hiris, 2 clove of garlic, 2 ulas bawang putih dihiris, and 1 inch of ginger slice into stick, ataupun 1 inci halia dipotong halus batang ini, okay. It's very easy, very senang. Panaskan minyak dalam periuk, heat the oil in a pot. Put in your sliced onion, masukkan barang-barang yang telah dihiris, all the slice ingredients. Saute a little bit, a pinch of salt, sedikit garam. Once the onion is brown, bila bawang dia dah berubah warna, change its color, put in your clams, masukkan lala ni dulu. Now make sure you wash the clam properly, awak kena cuci dia bersih, because sometimes it's a little sandy. So we saute this for a while. Kita tumiskan. So while we saute this clam first, kenapa kita masak lala ni dulu, supaya dia buka. It will open, see, open already. Now the clams are already open. These are fresh clams, daripada pasar baru sampai. Just came from the pot. From the pot. Okay, it will open, dia akan buka. And make sure that you stir all the time. Awak selalu lah, kacau-kacaukan dia supaya dia buka. Make sure all open. Once it's open, it's ready to cook, Dia dah buka, tandanya dah masak lah benda ni. Tapi jangan masak too long. Don't cook too long. Okay. Now here, I have 3 cups of water. 3 gelas, 3 cawan air, 3 cups of water. I put 4 lah, 4 cawan air. Masukkan batang-batang sawi ni. Bayam, sorry, batang-batang bayam. In the spinach stock, I use chicken stock. Saya menggunakan stok ayam. Kasih dia mendidih. let it boil. When you see the steam coming up, bila awak tengok dia punya asap-asap dia keluar, that means preheating. So I don't want to cook the clam too long. Saya tak nak masak dia punya lala ni terlalu lama, nanti dia kecut. Because this lala cannot cook too long, nanti it will shrink. Okay, so I will immediately put in the spinach. Saya akan masukkan bayam ni terus. Sedap ni. I didn't add any other thing. Saya dah tak taruh apa-apa lagi. No more salt, no sugar, nothing. 0 point. That's it. Itu sahaja. Alright. Now let it cook. Itu dia. Bila dia dah mendidih, once it's already boiled, it's good enough already. Dah masak. Okay. Itu dia. Sup bening lala or lala with spinach soup. Alamak. Oh, wow. Dia sup bening lala. This is a clam in spinach soup. It's absolutely amazing. Memang sedap, marvelous and meletup. Alright. Oh wow. Balik pada sesi cekik menyekik makan eating session time. Alamak. Tu dia sup lala bersama bayam. Bayam. Spinach. Okay. Spinach with lala or clams, they call it. Alright. Memang power. Itu saja saya taruh. Saya didn't put anything else. Memang senang, simple. This is for easy cooking for those who's at home. Yang mana kat rumah tu tak makan lala, dipersilakan makan lala, cuba-cuba. Sebab this lala is cheap, murah. Now not so murah also lah. Now not so expensive. Not so cheap lah. Sekarang ni tengok. Kalau kita overcook lala ni, dia kecut. Okay. So those of you who started to learn how to eat vegetables, yang mana baru-baru nak mula nak makan sayur, you can start with bayam. You can start with spinach, because spinach is much more thinner and it's not bitter. Dia tak pahit. Okay. Sedap. Sayur adalah satu benda yang bagus untuk kesihatan anda. Also good for your health. Okay. On a nice hot weather like this. Okay. Makan dengan apa ikan goreng, sambal belacan. Kau tengok. This is a must kalau rumah-rumah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim dulu. Okay. Kita bismillah. Sayur-sayur. All these are medication, you know. Semua ni adalah ubat. So cook for your husband lah. Your husband will love. Not only husband also will cook for the wife. Husband atau suaminya akan juga masak untuk isterinya, kerana isterinya kadang-kadang bekerja, kadang-kadang isteri dia sakit, wife not feeling good, not in good terms, in health condition. So bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very sedap. Meletup awak. Saya rasa awak pun akan masak segera bila awak nampak video ni. When you see this video, you will immediately cook this dish. Memang out of the world. I love lala, I love clams. Soup, saute or sambal. Masak sambal, masak sup, goreng pun very nice. Korang dah lama hari raya naik lemak Oh, hari raya makan-makan sedap. We must go back to basic, you know. Not good for health. Tak bagus untuk kesihatan makan makanan yang heavy. So sayur kita ni raya ni, actually hari raya only one day only tau. Satu hari je. But yalah, because you have too many family and friends around. Singapore is so small, so you want to go and visit everybody. I only go a few houses only. Rumah sikit-sikit saja. I don't want to overdo. Jangan ambil menerit. Raya tak elok. Tu ustaz tu dah kata dah. The ustaz dah, the preacher already said, no, cannot hari raya 1 month. Wrong. Salah Can go visit lah. Jalan-jalan can. Cannot wear baju Melayu lah. Cannot raya-raya-ish. Okay. Sedap. Power. 12 o'clock. Pukul 12. In Vietnam, saya pernah pergi Vietnam. Masa tu diorang masak lala ni kuah dia colour pink tau. Apa benda taruh agaknya The soup in Vietnam they cook the soup is pink in colour. I don't know what they put. I forget to ask. Saya lupa nak tanya. So I don't know how long this video is gonna be. Saya pun tak tahu berapa lama video ni. Saya nak pedal ni betul-betul. Ginger Halia. Please eat all these things. It's good for you. Makan. Dulu kita kecil-kecil kita tak makan. Kecil-kecil means small. When I was young, I don't eat all this. Sedap. Power. Veggie dia. I love this spinach. This spinach is very popular among the Chinese. Bayam ni very popular dengan antara orang Cina. Orang Cina suka sayur. The Chinese, they love veggie. Ada juga orang tak makan macam ni. Some people they don't eat like that. Cannot everyday curry. Tak boleh hari-hari curry. Tak boleh hari-hari asam pedas. Semua. Okay. Awak nak kena sup-sup, sayur-sayur, ikan. Nowadays the children don't eat fish, Tak? So komen. Ada budak-budak sekarang tak makan ikan. Tak elok tu. Some children don't eat fish. I don't know why. Those never eat like this must eat, Siapa tak makan yang barang ini, sila makan, cuba. Bagus untuk anda, very good for you, okay? Sup dia marvelous. Saya tadi pakai stok ayam. I use chicken stock. Sup dia power. Alhamdulillah. Very good. Okay. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. Let me finish my food. Bila saya habiskan makanan saya, tinggal gini je, like that. Alright. So I hope you enjoyed this time round of masak apa masak my style, and I hope to see you again on the next episode. Bye.